Hey guys, what's going on? It's Johnny again. Just shot some photos in the woods where I actually ended my last video. Today seemed like a pretty nice one to come out, try to get some new stuff and some nature, because last time I was here I was doing an engagement shoot, so I didn't want to stray away from the topic on hand. Hope you like the photos. I will share some at the end of this video along with a link to my Flickr account where you can check them out in high resolution. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more. See ya.